Pinckney Island is a national wildlife refuge, serving as an important flyway and rookery for a variety of birds along the Atlantic Ocean, in South Carolina's Low Country. The island is approximately 4,000 acres and had been part of the Charles Cotesworth Pinckney plantation. There are more than 14 miles of trails that can be hiked or biked. Here you will find salt marshes, maritime forests, grasslands, and tidal creeks, along with a number of ponds. Major General Charles Cotesworth Pinckney had been a Revolutionary War general, a signer of the United States Constitution, minister to France, and a presidential candidate who was defeated by Thomas Jefferson in 1804 and James Madison in 1808. The island was donated to the state in 1937. Pinckney Island was a private game preserve until 1975, when it became a national wildlife refuge. This completes the visit to Pinckney Island National Wildlife Refuge. Thank you for watching.